No BS? Let's optimize your guys' Ethernet settings. Make sure you're getting the most out of your internet. First things first, go down to your search bar and open up the Device Manager. Once it's loaded, you're going to look for network adapters. Double click on your Ethernet. Head over to Power Management and uncheck this first box. Head over to Advanced. And now here's where the magic happens. Alright, Advanced EEE. Disable this. It's another layer of energy efficiency that can introduce small wake-up delays and traffic starts. ARP Offload. Leave this enabled. If you really want, you could disable it. It doesn't have any effect on latency while you're actively using your PC. EEE Max Support Speed. Leave this alone or set it to auto. This setting only matters when energy efficiency Ethernet is enabled, which is right here, and that's something we're going to disable because it is a power saving feature. Flow control, disable this. It saves power by idling the link, but can cause micro latency and inconsistency under load. Gigabit Lite and Green Ethernet, you guys can set both of these to disable. These are power saving features, we do not want that. Interrupt moderation, disable this. What it does is it groups networks and interrupts together, which helps throughput, but it'll add latency and jitter to your system. IPv4 checksum offload, make sure you guys set this to disabled. Offloading checksum calculations could increase buffering and delay for small real-time packets. Jumbo frame, leave this disabled. Jumbo frames are for large local transfers and can cause fragmentation issues on normal internet traffic. Scrolling down. Both of the large chain offloads, make sure to disable these. Offloading checksum calculations can increase buffering and small amounts of delay for real-time packets. Maximum number of RSS queues, I would leave this at default. If you really want a value, I'd put it to 2 queues. Windows already selects the optimal value for a CPU, and forcing this rarely improves latency, so I would just leave it alone. And this offload, leave this enabled. Like ARP offload, this only applies during low power states and doesn't affect active latency. As you can see, I have it disabled. It really has no effect, it's similar to ARP offload. Power saving mode, disable this. Any form of adapter level power saving can introduce delay when traffic ramps up. Priority in VLAN, make sure you guys set this to disabled. It's meant for managed networks and then it doesn't help gaming latency. The only time I would recommend enabling this is if you specifically use VLANs. Receive buffers, make sure you guys set this to 256. A lot of guys will tell you to max this out or double it, make sure it's in conjunction with transmit buffers. Those are all myths and old outdated advice tips. Larger buffers can actually increase your latency, so that's a common myth. Reseed side scaling, keep this enabled. RSS allows network processing to be spread out across CPU cores and improve consistency, so I'll set that to enabled. Shutdown wake on LAN, make sure to disable this unless you use remote wake features. It has no performance benefit. Speed and duplex, I would set this to auto negotiation. Forcing values can cause link issues and instability, especially if you pick the wrong value. Now all of these checksum offloads here, make sure to disable these. Software handling of checksums is fast enough and avoids extra buffering. Enabling this would actually create a little bit of latency for your system. Scrolling down, all these wake-ons, make sure to disable these. And then last one, WOL and shutdown link speed. Make sure you guys set this to not speed down. It only affects the adapter when the system is powered off, so really this setting doesn't matter too much. This is just what I like to set it to. Once you're done, you guys are going to press OK. You might lose your internet for a couple seconds, but it'll come back. And there you have it. Those are the best Ethernet settings for 2026. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll try my best to respond.